To make a Chase savings account, start by gathering the required documents, including a valid government-issued ID, social security number, and proof of address. Next, go to the Chase Bank website or visit a local branch to begin the application process. On the website, click on the Open an Account button and select the type of savings account you want to open. Choose from a variety of options, including the Chase Savings Account, Chase Premier Savings Account, or the Chase Plus Savings Account. Each account has its own set of features and benefits, so select the one that best fits your needs. Once you have selected your account, you will be asked to provide your personal and financial information. This will include your name, date of birth, address, and employment information. You will also need to fund your new account, which can be done by transferring money from an existing account, using a debit card, or by making a deposit at a local branch. After you have completed the application and funded your account, review the terms and conditions of your new savings account. This will include the interest rate, fees, and any other important details. Finally, once your account is open, you can manage it online or through the Chase mobile app. This will allow you to check your balance, transfer funds, and monitor your account activity. It is also a good idea to set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account to make saving easier and less prone to being neglected. By following these steps, you can easily make a Chase savings account and start saving money today. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of your account and to take advantage of the features and benefits that come with it. Making a Chase savings account is a straightforward process that can be completed online or in person. With a variety of account options and features, you can choose the account that best fits your needs and start saving money today.